What's going on, everybody? Welcome back. Today's Down and Dirty. We're just going to talk really quick about hydroexcavating and why it's such a game changer for our industry. So right now we're doing a sanitary replacement for a business here in town, and we are right across the street from the AT&T building. So we have all of their main conduits along with all of the communications, water, storm. We've got everything in our trench going all the way back through this greenbelt area. If we were to try to excavate this by hand or with machine, we would have been here for probably a couple days just doing all the hand excavating. Instead, we were able to jam this out. We've run this section in the course of about 2 hours using a combination of the hydro excavator and chasing it with our excavator. So the process is you've basically got a giant truck back here that has a very high pressure, high flow power washer. It liquefies the dirt, and then this large tube here sucks the debris into the debris tank of the truck, which means that you can expose all these utilities and you're not going to damage them at all. The idea is don't excavate your full trench with the hydro excavator unless you absolutely need to. The one disadvantage to hydro excavators is all of your backfill material turns into sludge. So you do have to bring in backfill material for whatever you take out. So you don't want to just go crazy and excavate your entire trench. But in a circumstance like this, we were able to excavate the main portion of the trench here under all the utilities, and then as soon as we're past all of our utilities, we'll switch back over to using the excavator. So this is why hydro excavation has changed the industry. That's why it's such an awesome tool for us as we dig this stuff in. This would have been 3 to 4 days worth of digging probably for us by hand, and you can only imagine how backbreaking that was. So that's all we've got for today. Just a quick overview. Thanks for watching. We'll catch you guys on the next one.